It's Thursday. What are we doing? We're looking at houses. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're here in Redondo Beach, Riviera Village. It is a very gloomy day, but this is a very adorable home. Okay, we're gonna go check out a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a huge master suite. 1,809 square feet. You guys, check this out. The floors are heated. Light. Now for a fun fixer. You can make this place as cool as the last one we saw. Who's ready? What did you find, Lauren?
This wallpaper is so awesome.
Oh my god. It sparkles. You can't really tell, but it's sparkly.
1,249,000.
It's a little over.
Where are we, Michelle? What are we gonna look at?
Carolina, it's amazing. The beach is right there, and you can live in this beautiful building.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Have some friends over. Bedroom number 1. And let's hurry. Bedroom number 2 in the living. Let's talk about the moneymaker for a dog's life. What is it?
Da-da-da!
Oh my god!
We're at Avenue C. This is listed for $1,699,000.
We just got done surfing. We're gonna shower outside before going to the house. Why, hello there. I will come inside. Thank you. Look at this gorgeous bathroom. Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Amazing. Gorgeous master bedroom. Everybody loves a walk-in closet. Very spa-like here. Hi, look at the rooftop deck. Come inside. We can see our lovely seating area. Wow. This bathroom is everything. It's amazing. We're here on Lucia at this fixer house on a 4,741 square foot lot, and this place has some beauty.
About a 3,000 square foot home. Dream home we've always wished for.
Okay, we're in Golden Hills on Haynes Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath listed at $1,049,000. Where are we?
We're on Spire Lane in the Zen Masterpiece.
So this is one of our favorite floor plans for Tall and Skinny because it's nice and open. Awesome master suite. Nice and big with a big giant bathroom. We're feeling very patriotic today, aren't we, Michelle? Where are we?
Come on, let's go see all the bedrooms. Hurry up, let's go, hurry.
We're running.
And then here's the bathroom, and then here's the laundry.
First story, nice and open to the backyard. Where are we?
$879.
Hop out of the jacuzzi and into your living room and kitchen. Wow. We're back in the office.
We had fun today, did you? If you did, if you have questions, call us.